Hi everyone. When someone copies any text from your website, how do you track that? I mean, if someone copy this title, how you can track that? It's very easy. Just follow my footstep. You can do it very easily. First we need to go our console tab, click on inspect and go to our console tab and write some JavaScript code. Very easy, not very fancy, simple code. Document dot add event listener, first bracket in the both side, single inverted comma, and write here copy, because we need to track copy event, so I write here copy. Now comma, and here we need to add function, again first bracket in the both side, add curly bracket in the both side. Now shift enter. Our setup is done. Now we need to push data layer, window dot data layer push. Both sides first bracket, and in the middle section you should add curly bracket both side. Now add event and event name you can write anything. For me, I just write copy text. That's it. Our tracking is done. Very simple. Within a 2 minutes you can just track copy event. Let's check this, it is work or not. Copy this and write window dot and write data layer. You can see our event is appear here. If you want recheck this, just check any data layer, and you can see in our data layer viewer we can see copy text is coming. So our setup is done. And one more thing, if you want to know what is the value of copy text, you can do it very easily. Let me show you. Just copy our previous code, add another parameter, name this text name, add here some code again, simple code, don't worry, window dot get selection. Now dot now first bracket dot to string, and if I enter this, our setup is done. For better tracking you can add trim here. Okay, our everything is done. If I copy another text like this one, you can see data layer, you can see here copy text and text name, 30 days return if goats have problem. Okay, if I click on our data layer section, you can see our data layer is work perfectly. You can paste this code in GTM and it will work smoothly. We need to add a new custom JavaScript and paste our code. For HTML code we need two script here, script and close script. Sorry. Okay, trigger will be all pages. Copy. Okay, now let's preview our setup is okay or not. Okay, if I copy this, remember right button and copy. Here is the magic. You can see our data layer event pushed here. If I expand this, you can see our event name and event value, I mean text name value. It's very simple thing. And recheck this. If I copy this, you can see a new event and copy text, and event name is copy text and event text is popular products. So everything is work perfectly. Thanks for watching the video.